Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to dive into a topic that keeps coming up, UCC, Uniform Commercial Code. I've received numerous questions about it, and some of you are unsure about what it is, how it works, or where to find reliable information. You might have heard me mention the UCC in previous videos, such as when I said to include UCC 1308 above your signature before signing documents. This is to preserve your rights, but you need to fully understand these terms before using them. One viewer told me they went to court, and when the judge asked them what UCC or without prejudice meant, they said, "Well, I'm not prejudiced." Needless to say, it didn't go well. This illustrates why understanding the UCC is critical. Using it without knowledge can backfire. What is the UCC? The Uniform Commercial Code is a set of internationally recognized commercial laws that govern financial transactions, banking, and business operations. Major financial institutions around the world adhere to these codes. I can confirm that the UCC works because I've successfully used it to eliminate debts, create negotiable instruments, navigate financial and legal challenges effectively. The UCC book. This is the book you need to understand the UCC. It's dense, comprehensive, and admittedly not light reading. However, it's an invaluable resource for becoming a secured party investor or understanding the interplay between private and public financial systems. Key articles in the UCC. 1. General Provisions, Article 1. Covers the fundamental principles of the UCC. It's dry but foundational. 2. Sales, Article 2. Discusses rules for sales and leasing agreements, including what's permissible in contracts. 3. Negotiable Instruments, Article 3. This is a game changer. Promissory notes, which are negotiable instruments, can be used to offset debts in both public and private sectors. 4. Bank Deposits and Collections, Article 4. Defines what banks can and cannot do with your money. 5. Funds Transfers, Article 4A. Outlines rules for electronic and other financial transfers. 6. Letters of Credit, Article 5. Explains how to issue and interpret letters of credit. 7. Bulk Sales, Article 6. Covers the sale of assets in bulk, often used in business liquidations. 8. Documents of Title, Article 7. Focuses on logistics and shipping documents. 9. Investment Securities, Article 8. Pertains to stocks, bonds, and other investment vehicles. 10. Secured Transactions, Article 9. Provides guidance on collateralized agreements and how to protect your interests. Understanding key UCC sections. One of the most referenced sections is UCC 1308. Here's what it means. Without prejudice. When you include this phrase above your signature, you're reserving your rights and not agreeing to any terms you don't explicitly consent to. The exact language in UCC 1308 states, a party that explicitly reserves their rights while performing or accepting performance under a contract does not waive their rights. Another useful section is UCC 2207, which allows you to reject a contract within 3 days of signing it. I've used this clause successfully in court to cancel a loan agreement when the terms didn't match what was promised. Practical applications. 1. Preserving your rights. Use UCC 1308 to protect your rights when signing contracts or tickets. 2. Challenging debt. Leverage the UCC to offset or negotiate debt using promissory notes or set-offs. 3. Bank disputes. Refer to Article 4 to determine if a bank's actions are lawful. 4. Loan agreements. Use your legal right to cancel contracts, UCC 2207, if the terms are misleading. Advice for beginners. If the full UCC book feels overwhelming, consider starting with simplified guides like the ABCs of the UCC or UCC for Dummies. These resources break down complex topics into digestible pieces. Final thoughts. Knowledge is power, And you don't need a college degree to educate yourself on the UCC. This information equips you to protect your financial rights and navigate legal challenges effectively. I encourage you to dive into this material and take control of your financial future. Community updates. Thank you all for your incredible support. To those who haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. A special shout out to the ladies. We need more female viewers diving into this content. Let's balance the scales. Remember, stay informed, stay cautious, and keep striving for empowerment. Check the description box below for resources and special offers, and I'll see you in the next video.